I'm Mape Sullivan with MILLEN Forward, a nonprofit organization where millennials inspire people, leverage our resources. We lead and encourage people to take action so that we can navigate forward together. I have roughly about 15 years of real estate investing experience when it comes to, wholesaling, buy and hold. I've been involved in a couple of rehabs, owner financing, creative financing, just various ways to invest in real estate. I'm also a certified financial education instructor. I've been certified for about 5 years now. But when it comes to budgeting, credit, investing, to get return on your money, I would say about roughly 15 years of that as well. So I have a combined about 30 years of experience with what this channel is going to be about. On the financial education side, we're going to talk about, of course, like I said, budgeting, credit, ways to invest your money. We're going to talk about stocks, bonds, just anything that can help build wealth. When we say financial education, that's what we mean by that. And also we support businesses and startups in the technology sector because we feel those three things you can build wealth. Also, you may notice elevate, action, explore, question. We always believe in elevating each other, building people up, not tearing them down. Take action. What good is information if you don't take action on it or move on it? Explore. Always be willing to go outside the norms to explore more. And always question what people tell you. People always tell you what they want you to know, so question it. I'm not going to try to sell you anything. It's just going to be pretty much just information that I've learned throughout my years of doing it myself. I always talk about, or I'm going to be talking about, learn by doing. So my 15 years of real estate, it was all hands-on experience. Through budgeting, hands-on experience. I've lived paycheck to paycheck before. I've had zero money in a bank account. I've experienced all that. So I want to combine all that information, and I want people who may not know to also know what I've been through. So hopefully you may not make the same mistakes that I have in my past. So with that being said, let's learn together. I hope you enjoy it, straight from the heart. So again, welcome to the channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We would really enjoy that. And also leave a comment.